This time we will investigate reflection by a partial polarizer. We start the arrangement using normal polarizer to reflect microwave from the transmitter in 45-degree incoming angle. The distance is close, so the receiver gets higher reading than maximum scale. The transmitter is then rotated to 45-degree polarization angle, so the polarizer now receives vertical as well as horizontal component of microwave. By rotating the receiver, we know that microwave reflected by the normal polarizer only have vertical orientation without horizontal component. The normal polarizer is now replaced by a partial polarizer. By rotating the receiver, we know that microwave reflected by the partial polarizer also only have vertical orientation without horizontal component. Now we will show reflectiveness of partial polarizer compared to normal polarizer. We test the reflection in 3 different angles. First, we set up microwave transmitter, receiver, and a normal polarizer configured as a reflector. All of them are set at vertical polarization axis. The incident angle is set at 45 degree and the distance is set to get intensity reading at full scale. When the normal polarizer is replaced by a partial polarizer, the intensity goes down to 70%. Now we restart the experiment for smaller incident angle. It's around 15 degree. Again, the distance is set to get intensity reading at full scale. When the normal polarizer is replaced by a partial polarizer, the intensity goes down to 50%. Finally, we restart the experiment for a bigger incident angle. It's around 60 degree. Again, the distance is set to get intensity reading at full scale. When the normal polarizer is replaced by a partial polarizer, the intensity goes down to 80%. If we plot the result, we can see that reflectiveness of partial polarizer increases with higher incident angle. It's similar to reflection of light by surface of the electric media such as glass or water. It is understandable that at higher incident angle, more conductor fibers get involved in the reflection process, hence higher intensity of reflected microwave. This is consistent with the result of previous experiment for microwave passing through the partial polarizer.